Care proceedings. Care proceedings start when social services make an application to the court, asking a judge to look at your child's situation and decide as to whether the child requires a legal order to keep them safe. Why would social services take a child? Reasons include physical, sexual, or emotional abuse, neglect, parental illness, abandonment, and suspected non-accidental injury to a child. But these are just some of the many reasons why social services may become involved. Can social services take my child away without any evidence? Apart from when police use their emergency powers of protection, any removal of children from your care by social services must either be agreed by you or approved by a family court. What is the care proceedings legal process? Social services must first make an application, asking the court to look into your child's case. Their application will be supported by a statement and reports, detailing their concerns. If you have parental responsibility for the child, you're considered a party to these proceedings, and will receive copies of all paperwork. If social services believe that your child needs to be removed from your care before the final hearing, they'll ask the court to grant an emergency protection order or an interim care order, and will file a document called a care plan, setting out where they think the child should live, and what contact should be in place for each parent and other relevant persons. After the first hearing, you'll usually need to attend a case management hearing, which usually takes place within 12 days of the application being made. An issues resolution hearing will then take place, where matters including the child's living arrangements and contact can be agreed upon by all parties involved. If an agreement can be reached, there'll be no need for a final hearing, and proceedings may end here. If an agreement cannot be reached, then a final hearing will take place. You'll be asked to provide a written statement to the court before the final hearing. So having a solicitor with expertise in care proceedings can be vital to the success of your case. The types of court orders that can be made at a final hearing include care orders, supervision orders, child arrangement orders, special guardianship orders, and placement orders. How long does it take for a case to go to court? The care proceedings process is expected to conclude within 6 months, but this time limit can be extended if there are circumstances that justify exceeding the 26-week time frame. It can only be extended by the judge, and by no more than 8 weeks at a time. Care proceedings do not go away on their own, so hoping that the problem will simply disappear or resolve itself will only serve to make matters worse in the long run. National Legal Service can advise you of the best way forward during a free initial consultation. Contact us today to book an appointment with our specialist childcare solicitors.